Imagine mail trucks humming down your street, delivering packages with zero emissions. Sounds like the future, right? Well, the US Postal Service is trying to make it happen, replacing tens of thousands of aging gas guzzlers with electric vehicles. But now, a political fight is threatening to slam the brakes. Let's break down why this battle over electric mail trucks matters, and what it means for America's future. The USPS has one of the largest civilian fleets in the world. Over 220,000 vehicles. Many of them are 30 years old, dating back to 1987. They average just 9 miles per gallon, cost billions in maintenance, and some even catch fire. Postal workers joke that mechanics are miracle workers, fabricating parts because replacements no longer exist. Clearly, these trucks are way past their prime. Enter the Next Generation Delivery Vehicle program. Backed by $3 billion in federal funding, the USPS plans to buy up to 165,000 new trucks, at least 66,000 fully electric by 2028. Scientists say this could cut greenhouse gas emissions by 20 million tons over their lifetime, like taking 4 million cars off the road for a year. Republican lawmakers are calling the program a boondoggle. Senator Joni Ernst says it's a waste of taxpayer dollars, pointing to production delays, higher costs, and untested trucks. Representative Michael Cloud argues the project has delivered nothing but delays and defective vehicles. Some push ethanol-powered trucks as a cheaper alternative, especially popular in farm states like Iowa. They believe billions should be spent elsewhere, not on mail trucks. Scientists and postal unions say scrapping the EV plan now would be a huge mistake. Why? Postal routes are practically designed for EVs. Short distances, constant stops and starts. Perfect for regenerative braking. A University of Michigan study found the new trucks could cut up to 20 million tons of emissions over 20 years. Here's the kicker. Billions have already been invested in charging stations and infrastructure. Pulling the plug now would waste that money. And it's not just about emissions, it's about modernization. The new trucks include airbags, blind spot cameras, collision sensors, and finally, air conditioning. Postal workers say this is a major upgrade from the old metal ovens on wheels. For those who spend their careers behind the wheel, safety and comfort matter just as much as saving gas. So here's the big question. Is this a smart investment in clean energy and modernization, or a costly mistake that taxpayers can't afford? The USPS is caught between two futures, electric versus gas, and the decision could shape not just mail delivery, but America's path on climate and energy. Let me know in the comments, should the Postal Service go all in on electric or stick with gas-powered trucks? And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on the future of transportation, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next.